So today's the day that I get to install the dress in the museum. Oh my gosh, the excitement is real. You can't see my face though. Back up, back up. Well, I'm trying to keep myself composed so I look cool, you know. But this is actually one of the most exciting things that's happened in 2021. So the next vlog's gonna be out soon, hopefully. And yeah, I'll try and keep you posted. Hey guys! Okay, I am back with the 5th video. Bruh, this feels like it's been a long time coming. I'm actually hiding the dress behind me. So today is the day we installed the dress in the Harris Museum. I've been waiting for the call to say it's time, you can come. And today is actually the day. So I'm so excited to show you guys what I've actually been up to this whole time. Thank you so much for following and for just coming along with me on this journey. It has been my privilege to be able to design a dress for the Harris Museum, and hopefully it's going to be open this month. And also, for those of you who can, it would be amazing if you could come and visit it and let me know what you guys think of the dress in person. So I think I've talked a lot. I hope this dress is as amazing as I've been making it up to be. I am so excited to show you guys this. And I could keep talking and talking and talking and talking and talking, but I think it's time you get to see. Wait, I've got some adjustments to do. Hold up. So I'm currently just doing some adjustments to the dress because we kind of decided it would be nice to have a high-low hem. So instead of the hem being one length all the way around, currently just editing so that it's going to be shorter at the front with a train at the back. So it's really exciting and I can't wait for you all to see. Can you just hear how loud this is when it echoes? Literally about 20 centimeters from there, finishing the hem, and guess what? The bobbin ran out. Would help if I turned the machine on. Would help if I put the bobbin in the right place. To go put the dress back on the mannequin. Okay, I think you've earned it now. You guys can see the dress. So, I'm done. Here's the dress. So guys, thank you so much for being here with me on this journey. The dress is finally where it's supposed to be and the museum is opening soon, I believe. I entitled this entire series Making History because I am the first Black fashion designer to have a piece, a curated piece here, or commissioned piece even here in the museum. And it's on display in a glass box. Like, I never thought my work could be on display in a glass box. That is insane. But yeah, guys, there's not even anything else to say except for all glory to God, and thank you so much for being here, being with me on this journey. So that's it for today. God bless, and speak to you all soon in the next video. Bye.